Hello guys, good morning. I want to share with you my skincare routine every morning. I have toner from Kinang. Ayan. Gentle. Massage on your face. Gentle. Gentle lang. Ayan siya. See? Toner muna, toner. Next, I will introduce whitening spot removal set from Kinang. We have serum and cream. Yan ang sekreto ko guys. First, apply serum. 3 drops. 3 drops. Maximum 3 drops. Massage, massage. Let it absorb. Until absorb. Massage. Ayan, massage siya, massage. Let it absorb. And next is the cream. Ayan, cream. Cream. Ayan siya. Okay. Massage. Spread all over the face. Ayan. See? Look at it. It's amazing. Diba? Glass skin. And the last but not the least, sunscreen SPF 80 from Kinang. Ayan. Kailangan talaga natin mag-sunscreen everyday to avoid melasma. Dark spot. Ayan siya guys. Small amount lang para hindi masyadong maputi yung mukha. See, look at that. That's my skincare routine every morning. Oh, look at the difference. See? Oh, diba? Glass skin look. Yan sa yellow basket.